Yo, what is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? Anybody that owns a business, anybody that does online marketing. We're currently making some new progressions in Funnel Hacker Labs where we have over 200 different landing page templates. Guys, it's amazing. We're taking pre-orders right now, so if you haven't checked out our Funnel Hacker Lab group, the link is in the description. This way you can get notified on all the progress we're making on Funnel Hacker Lab, guys. It's going to be crazy what we have available for you. So like I said, guys, if you haven't already, click the link down below. Check out the Facebook group so you can be notified on updates of Funnel Hacker Lab. But right now we have around 300, I think 400 actually, landing page templates that you can utilize in your Go High level or in your ClickFunnels. So guys, like I said, click the link down below, join Funnel Hacker Lab so you can get notified on exactly when Funnel Hacker Lab is going to be launched. Guys, we're just finishing up some developing, finishing up a couple of kinks, and once we're done with that, guys, Funnel Hacker Lab is all for you guys. And plus, I want to hear all your suggestions you have so I can make Funnel Hacker Lab even better and even more profitable for you guys. So like I said, join that little Facebook group down the link. Tell me what you guys want in this software, and I'll be more than happy to implement it into the developing stage. So guys, like I said, click the link down below, and I'll give you more updates to come. Thank you.